Hi guys, welcome to this video. This video is the third video in the keyword series, and it will guide you through the third method of writing keyword content. This is actually the most powerful, and it actually goes against what you think that you would want to do when you have an affiliate site. So sticking with the heartburn thing, one of the most powerful things that you can make a sale with is to actually give people the solution. Okay, I know it sounds counterproductive, but one of the most powerful things that you can do with your keywords, so if we go back, keeping this all in line with what we've covered already, so obviously you're going to make sure that you're going for keywords that are getting searched, but you can see there's 8,100 searches and a search difficulty of 16, really easy for how to cure heartburn. The third keyword method that I'm going to speak about here is to actually give them something they can try as a cure. So we looked at in the last video, like, does milk help with heartburn? Okay, and then in the first one we looked at all the keywords as a whole and how to do like top 5 tips if you want to prevent heartburn, that sort of thing, in the first keyword video. Well, in this one, what I suggest you do is actually give the cure. Okay, and I know that sounds counterproductive, because if you're promoting a heartburn remedy guide that gives a cure, why would you want to put the cure on your actual blog? And I'll tell you why. One, you'll get a lot of searches for it because that's what they're looking for. Two, you'll get tremendous goodwill from people, okay, because you're actually giving something that a lot of affiliate sites don't do. A lot of affiliate sites, what they do is just give them promotions, okay, and just say you need to buy this guide. If you ever want to be without heartburn again, you need to buy this guide. So what you're doing differently is you're actually giving stuff they can try for a cure, okay? And the way you do it so it actually works is to the same way that we've looked at with the content, but you'd actually introduce it the same way, and you'd say this article will help you if you are looking for a heartburn cure, and we give you the top 5 heartburn cures that you can try. So it's very similar to the first one, first keyword writing method. Or the other thing you can do is just go straight into it. Today we're going to give you some things that you can try for a heartburn cure. This should help you get rid of your heartburn, okay? And then you can do it in at number 1, in at number 2. You can do it as a numbered list like that, or you can do it as a method. Okay, so here's the method. First you need this, second you need this, and so on. Obviously you're going to research all of this, okay, and you're just going to give as much really good information. So you want to look up some heartburn cures, and you can see here quick relief helpline. Again, following the stuff that I said in the first keyword video, you don't just want to go to one piece of information like this and just use all of that. Okay, you want to piece together a really good, well-researched article. It takes some time, but the reason that you want to do it is that your site will actually rank with less content. You're not limited to any amount of words, okay? So you're not like, it's not like you have to stop at 2,000 words or anything like that. The more content you have on there that actually helps, the better. Not that everything in this course is for a reason. It's not just for conversions. It's because if you write your content like this, the knock-on effect will be that it will actually rank better in the search engines, okay? So you want to do it like this, and you're just focusing on the solution. And the beauty of it is, so whichever way you do the solution, you could have stuff like this. This is more tips though, but solutions would be stuff to try. Here we go. Mix baking soda with water, try ginger, try licorice supplements, sip apple cider vinegar, chew gum, that's what to avoid, and so on, okay? And here we go, 14 home remedies. So you could actually use, again, not using other people's content, but you could look up some home remedies for heartburn and say this should help you. Here's some home remedies, okay, like you know, like natural flavoring drinks and all of that sort of stuff. And how you actually then pitch the guide, how do you do it when you give them the cure, is you actually say try these out, try these things out. And if you're looking to get rid of heartburn forevermore, if you're constantly suffering for it, maybe you need a step-by-step guide. And what you're going to do, this is very important, is at the bottom of your article you'd give an introduction to the guide and why they should check it out. So then you want to go into the guy's or girl's expertise. So you'd say, this guide is developed by XYZ. The reason that the guide is interesting is because the guy has developed a heartburn remedy that is all natural, and you only need to take it once, or it's all natural ingredients. You don't need to take any chemicals or anything like that. So you're thinking about, as we looked at, when we did the review, as we looked at there, you're looking at the main selling points of the guide and putting that. So even though you've got your remedy, and you'd think that, well, that's counterintuitive because people aren't going to buy the guide if you give them a remedy, it works really, really well because people, I'll tell you why, and this is very important because this is the most powerful method. Most people won't do anything with the information, okay? What they will do is they read it, and they will have tried a lot of the stuff you're saying. So they've probably seen things on limit your alcohol intake, or follow a low carb diet, or lose weight, or don't overeat. And even if you've got remedies saying these are the ingredients, it's unlikely that they're going to get up off the computer and go and try it straight away. So the way it works is that, one, it keeps them reading. Two, it's a tremendously goodwill article, so it's actually giving them stuff that they can use, real good information. And then the third thing as well is they're far more likely to click through on the guide because they've already read your article. Okay, so that's the real key to it, making sure that your content is good in that way. So all of this stuff, I'll speak about it in the next video, and a few checks that you can do, but it's really important. Twofold, I could go into a whole number of reasons. Number one, it will sell. Okay. Number two, it will give your site really good search rankings because it's actually a real site. And number three, you're going to get a higher click-through rate going through to the product, okay? So that's why you want to do it like that. Let me know if you have any questions. Any keywords that you're unsure of, let me know. If you can't use one of those free methods, but that should be simple enough to how to research it and how to write content for pretty much anything, okay? So that's your keyword stuff. Review first, as we walked through before, and then you can use these three methods for keywords depending what keyword it is. Just see which one best fits, and you could also just use any. Okay, you can use any of these three methods for pretty much any keyword. And let me know if you have any questions, and I will move on to the next video. So I hope you're enjoying the course. The main thing, I'm going to talk about the plan in the next video and how to get this done so you're actually moving forward. And yeah, that will work really, really well for you. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it made sense, and I'll see you in the next